Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with the phone. And the first one what we can do, maybe it's a problem with audio player, so if we should restart it. Let's say you listen music in Apple Music, it's the same with Spotify or another application for it. So firstly, we should remove it from the cache and open it again. Now check, maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, open the application and of course your headphones should be connected with the application. So, after you open the application, go to the settings and make sure that you have the last software version. If you haven't, just install a new one. Also, what can help you is to restart your phone or a tablet if you use it. And the last one is to perform a hard reset on your earbuds. So go to the Bluetooth and now put your earbuds to the charging case, and right here at the top we have this connectional button. Press and hold it until this LED light starts flashing red. Here we go, now you can release your finger, and firstly we should remove it. So click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device, and after factory reset it enters to print mode automatically, so we should see it at the device list, and sometimes it happens that you don't want to be here, so if you have the same, that you can see it at the device list, just close the charging case, open it again, and after that press and hold this connectional button. And we can see it, so click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!